Welcome to Inventoryplus restaurant app setting tutorial. This is the flowchart of Inventoryplus restaurant management. Before starting the setting, first you download the Inventoryplus from our website inventoryplus.in. After that, you download restaurant database and restaurant plugin. Enable 9090 9091 8080 9191 port in Windows Firewall Advanced Security inbound and outbound route. Now we can download the Inventory Plus from our website inventoryplus.in. Here is the download link. Click there. It will download the setup. Download completed. Now we download the plugin from Inventory Plus Home plugin folder. Here all the plugins are there. We need to download restaurant order taking plugin. Click here to download. Download the restaurant database from our help. Go to help.inventoryplus.in. In index, there is a product collection. Click there. Here you get the restaurant database. Click here to download. You just download it. It will be downloaded. Download completed and downloaded file will be in download folder. See restaurant ordering zip and setup exe and restaurant database. We downloaded 3 files. Zip need to be extracted. Right click and extract all. Extract, that will extract. Extracted restaurant ordering service and APK. Also we installed the Inventory Plus by clicking setup file. After installing Inventory Plus, we copy the restaurant database to data folder in the Inventory Plus installed location. After that, we copy restaurant ordering service to plugin folder of Inventory Plus plugin. And we copy restaurant ordering to Inventory Plus folder. Run Inventory Plus. And select restaurant DB. from here or in file. Open. Put admin 1. Login. This is restaurant DB is opened. You can register here in subscription registration. Here see kitchen display is showing. Show all tables like this. Now this is the setting of restaurant plugin in Inventoryplus. Now you can launch the restaurant order taking from putting localhost address localhost 8080. Put the admin 1. It will be low. Open. You can take order from this. In next video, we'll learn how to use the restaurant order taking app. Thank you for watching this.